There's something magical about summer train journeys. The sunshine streaming through the window, the sound of the tracks, and the scenery changing with every mile. But what if I told you some of the most stunning routes in the UK don't need to cost a fortune? Today, I'm sharing my top budget-friendly scenic rail journeys. First up, the legendary Settle to Carlisle line. You'll cross the famous Ribblehead Viaduct through Yorkshire Dales National Park. It's like watching a moving postcard. Budget tip: Northern Rail offers £2 to £5 promotional tickets, and booking from Leeds or Skipton saves up to 60%. Sit right side heading north for the best viaduct views. For coastal magic, the Dawlish stretch is pure summer bliss. The railway runs so close to the sea, you might feel the spray on windy days. From Exeter St David's, day returns cost under £5. Travel mid-morning off-peak and sit left side for uninterrupted sea views. Scotland's West Highland Line is unmissable. Starting from Glasgow, you'll pass Lochs, mountains and the Glenfinnan Viaduct, instantly recognisable to Harry Potter fans. Book well in advance for cheaper fares. If you're over 50, ScotRail Club 50 offers great discounts. Sit left side from Glasgow for the best loch views. Pro tips: check for regional rail rovers for unlimited day travel. Bring your own snacks to save money. Travel early morning or evening for softer light and quieter trains. Research short walks from scenic stations to viewpoints. You'll discover hidden gems without breaking the bank. These routes prove you don't need a huge budget to see the best of Britain by train. Which one would you take first? Let me know in the comments. For more budget travel guides on Ko-Fi, see in the description below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next journey.